we're going to be taking these meshes apart and then respraying them.
Give them a little spray.
Yeah.
Oh, also follow Garage Tenoshi on Instagram. That's where all the shit will be for sale eventually. Also, Ben, the 8.6 is looking real good.
Ooh, thank you.
Let me get the angles here. The front end of this bitch was hit by some bitch. So Ben got some insurance money to buy a 11 front end.
I did.
It's a pretty good deal.
11 was more than the insurance money, but that's okay.
Oh. Yeah. You wanted it anyway, though.
Yeah, that's alright. I was going to do it eventually anyway.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to try to pull apart these formula mesh. Yeah. What's the specs on these, do you know?
I think they're 14 by 7.5. I'm not sure the offset, though.
Okay, we can measure that later.
Yeah.
We're going to pull the faces off, give them a sandblast, give them maybe a chooch of paint, and then maybe put them back together.
Yeah.
And maybe, like, we might want to, like, take some of this down.
Also, someone just, like, fully blast this with paint. Like, that's what's supposed to be polished like this, and it's white. So maybe we should try and take that off.
Which one?
This in here is the inner barrel, or the outer barrel, so it's supposed to be, like, polished.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Think we're going to need a socket on the other side?
Maybe. Probably. Let's try it. You ready to fully strip this bolt?
No. Nice.
Wow, look at that. It's nice underneath the paint.
The black. Maybe we can just sand down the top.
Yeah, probably.
Nice. We're filming on the iPhone because Noah's not here. It's probably going to look like fuck, but you know what? That's alright.
We should do like a quick little break or something.
Is that not an impact?
Well, like the air one.
Oh, yeah, it's probably a good idea. Is it out here?
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay, sweet.
Oh, yeah.
You're tightening it, man.
Pull the Noah.
Yeah, holy. Alright, this probably isn't that sick to watch, so I'm going to stop it here. Alright, so once you have all these front wind anglers blasted, we'll lip and dip her over. A lot of these are already coming.
Some of them like spin with the nuts. You have to like impact them off, kind of.
Yeah.
That'll protect it.
There you go. And the face.
Feel how light this is.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
All the weight's in the face, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so there you go. I think this paint we can just peel. Yeah, it's all already peeling off.
It came off like in this.
So that's sick. Oh yeah, there's that dirty ass face. Okay, we're gonna sandblast these, and we're gonna throw all the hardware back into the vinegar bottle,
The Gatorade?
the Gatorade vinegar bottle. But this time we're gonna pull it out early so they don't get absolutely destroyed.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go sandblast these bitches, then shake these in a bottle of vinegar to knock that paint off and knock all the rust off. And blast those face hose. Mother cucker. Alright, we're back in action. We're back in craction. Oh, here's the vinegar. Jesus.
Yeah.
We lost the Gatorade bottle.
These Fresca bottles.
Oh, we can use those.
Perfect.
Man, this one's so sick. The Honda City.
I can have that one in a different color somewhere.
Oh, it's like a darker blue up there.
Yeah.
I also really like the Laurel.
Yeah.
That's probably one of my favorites. And then also the Fair Lady's sick. Alright, so you put your friggin' your hardwares in there.
Oh,
It's potent.
The puff of like the air going into your here.
Puff the magic dragon. Hurt my brain, man.
Oh, it was upside down.
That's alright.
No one's gonna be mad.
No one can eat a cack.
Should we put some brake clean in there? No.
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know why the specs would be on the face though. Doesn't really make
That's kind
sense.
of weird. Nice. Safeties?
What the?
Come on, man.
That's fine.
Correct. Nice!
You guessed right. If you said they're ready.
Yeah, what the fuck? The lips on these wheels are like gold. So we're gonna have to like, they're like neochrome, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to sand that off. Because the other ones are just polished, right?
I think so, yeah. They're like zinc plated or something.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on.
The gold rush.
Yes, in 1876. My papa.
You ever seen the movie Gold?
Yes.
With Matthew McConaughey.
I do like Matthew McConaughey.
His hair was terrible in that movie.
I know. Potent. This stuff says it's double concentrated, so what do you think this smells like? Let's give it an old college whiff. Oh.
You're cracked.
Dude, I thought that was the top going, but it was your nose. Pop it with your fingers. Oh, man. How's it smell?
It hurts my hands.
Oh, that shit's extra potent, man. Your hands are gonna melt. Your feet are detachable.
I'm not supposed to tell anyone that.
Shut up. Alright, we're gonna punch some holes in the bottom of this. You'll see what we're doing. We're doing a little inventions. Yeah. Alright, we got this Timmy Sleuth's cup here with some holes punched in the bottom. Ben split it on the side, so that kind of blew the operation. But we'll use this as a little strainer. Strainer danger. Oh, the neck's way too small to press the bottle.
It's dirty.
Because now we're using one neck. Holy fuck. Alright. No. Nice. Looks like a medallion, man. Someone gets at the friggin' Olympics or whatever.
Look at this color.
Little flake in there, a little silver flake action.
Should we do the back part too? Yeah.
Yeah, all of it. Oh, it smells.
Yeah.
Okay, man, let it dry a little. Before it runs, give me the fucking can, man. I'm taking this shit away. Should we try to polish the lips in the meantime?
Sure. Like polish them or just like.
Oh no, just like take brake clean and a cloth and like.
Okay. So I'm gonna try and grind the curb rash off so it looks like a little bit better than this.
That's pretty bad.
It's just like a thick bit sand thing on a 90-degree Dremel. I don't know. Hopefully it works. I did it on my long champs, but
Give it a chooch, man. A little bit.
We can always like hand sand it with like a thicker grit too, probably.
Mm-hmm.
How many coats do you think we should do?
That's probably enough, eh?
Think so? We got one run. That's probably for me.
Thank you. Holy fuck. What happened there? Fuck yeah, buddy. Get her done. No doubt. Alright, so there it is. A quick cleanup of these formula mesh. Things we still gotta do is fix the lip. We're gonna sand it down a bit so it's not as crunchy peanut butter. We want it smooth like Jif.
I like Jif. Wait, Jif or GIF?
Jif.
Right.
Yeah.
We even, sorry.
And then we gotta torque the hardware to the spec. What's the spec?
I think I did 32 on mine. I think that's what it said online.
Okay. So yeah, we gotta do that. But I mean, looks quite a bit better than they did before with a little something on the paint there on the old face. On the old Yankee Doodler. Look at that. Sup Noah with the kinematics. I can do it naturally, not even in the computer, you fucking idiot. Alright, you wanna close it out? Comment, like, subscribe.
Yeah, you said it all.
No, you have to say it.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Wait, say what they have to comment.
It could be anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
choose
comment. Your favorite strain of Mr. Noodle flavoring.
That's a good one, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. Never
Cool.
thought of that.
Cool. All right.
Yeah, sweet.
Mine's spicy beef.
Really?
Yeah. Well, no. But yeah.
I like spicy chicken.
Yeah.
Alright,
All right.
close it out.
Skidoo.